Let's begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Take a moment to settle in, allowing your body to relax. When you're ready, close your eyes and take a few deep, slow breaths. Breathe in deeply through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let go of any tension or worries with each exhale. Feel your muscles begin to soften and your body starts to unwind. Now I will guide you on a peaceful mental journey to a safe and relaxing place of your choice. It could be a real place you know well or one that exists only in your imagination. It can be a quiet beach, a forest, a cozy garden, or a warm, inviting room. Take a deep breath and imagine that you are there. Begin to notice the details around you using all your senses. Imagine, for example, that you are walking on a soft, sandy beach. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze moving through your hair. Listen to the rhythmic sound of the waves as they meet the shore and the distant call of seagulls above. Smell the fresh, salty air and maybe even taste a hint of the sea. See the endless blue sky stretching above you and the horizon meeting the ocean in the distance. This is your personal sanctuary, a place where you are calm, safe, and peaceful. Nothing can disturb you here. You can always return to this place whenever you wish, whenever you want to relax, recharge, or feel centered again. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty and tranquility of your surroundings. Feel gratitude for this time you have given yourself. Time to nurture your own well-being. Now it's time to slowly return to the present moment. But remember, the peace and comfort you found here can stay with you throughout your day. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. When you're ready, begin to bring awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, the air on your skin. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take one final deep breath, feeling refreshed, calm, and centered. Take a moment to reflect on your experience. Notice how you feel now compared to when we began. If you feel comfortable, share what you experienced, what you saw, felt, or discovered during your guided imagery. Think about what you liked the most about your place of peace, and what you can take away from this exercise to use in your daily